it's Stella Science, and I have an experiment for you. You're going to need baking soda, you'll need vinegar, you'll need 2 bottles, and 2 balloons. A funnel would make it easier. Food coloring. When the baking soda and the vinegar all mixed together, it's going to create some gases. We're hoping it'd be enough to inflate this balloon. Let's pour 1/2 cup of vinegar in each container. Okay, next we're going to use 1/4 cup of baking soda for this bottle, and then we're going to take half of that and put in this bottle. So 1/4 cup here, only 1/8 cup here. That's the one thing we want to change. Next thing we want to do is we want to put the baking soda inside the balloon. So we're going to use the funnel for that, and that's going to take a little bit of process. But to make sure the balloon is on tight. 1/4 cup. For the second one, you only need half the amount of baking soda. This one was 1/4, so how much is this one? That's right, 1/8. Let's put it in there. Alright, checking the sides to make sure it's all tight. And we're almost ready. 3, 2, wait a minute. What do we expect to happen first though? Before we put the baking soda in with the vinegar, let's think. We have 1/4 cup of baking soda here, 1/8 cup of baking soda here. We have 1/2 cup of vinegar, 1/2 cup of vinegar. Which balloon is going to get the biggest?
3, 2, 1.
Did you guess correctly? I didn't. I thought this one would be bigger because it had more baking soda. But they're about the same. Thank you for joining me for the experiment today. Until next time.